Jason McKnight has been in the hospitality industry for over 20 years. He says while Atlantic City has been dealt some bad hands in the past, the impact of the global coronavirus pandemic is certainly the worst.
We've seen a lot of different things, whether it's economic collapse, expansion of gaming in the Northeast, things like that. We had some casinos closed. So, I mean, obviously we've been through some stuff, but I do believe that this is probably the worst that we've had to see.
This longtime tourist destination is home to the beach, world-famous boardwalk, and Atlantic Ocean. It's also the gambling mecca of the East Coast. But the casinos have been shuttered for over 2 months amid the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic. While a state plan has yet to be announced for the reopening of the casinos, many properties are unveiling their own safety guidances to combat the virus. According to McKnight, safety needs to be a top priority for the casinos, not just when they reopen, but also in the many months to come.
The locals were opening up for everyone, whether it be international or just, a 2-hour drive from New York. So we're going to have people coming from all over the world. So that's why these standards need to be in place. They need to be enforced, not only to protect us, but also to protect the guests that are coming.
Are you nervous to go back?
I guess you could call it nervous. Obviously, we don't really know what it's going to look like. The same as everyone else. The guests don't know what it's going to look like to come, and we don't know what it's going to look like to go to work.
That's where Unite Here Local 54 comes in. The union represents thousands of hospitality workers in Atlantic City, and they want to ensure their members will return to safe working environments.
We're still hoping at this point to have a partnership between the workers, the regulators, and the industry. But I mean, we'll have to see how it goes, and that's why it's important to have these conversations starting now.
While the Murphy administration has not publicly outlined a plan for the casinos to reopen, they will be required to comply with recommended policies and procedures set by federal, state, and local public health authorities in an effort to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. Reporting in Atlantic City for New Jersey News Network, I'm Veronica Dudo.